hands. In every way, you have been caged. You have been attached to be a victim, not fighting for victory, to be victimized, to be limited. I pray that the anointing of God rest on my hands with fire, with fire, with fire, with fire, with fire. Lord, I want these hands to overcome limitations, to overcome limitations. Every way I am fighting before now as a victim, not as a victor, not from victory, not praying from victory, not standing with victory, not praying from victory. I pray, oh God, by your mercy, these hands receive fire, 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 these hands receive fire. As I remember answering you later, I pray, let the anointing from God rest in my hands, let the anointing fall on me. Oh, you my hands receive fire. Every negative chains, every negative victimization that is speaking against me before now, I cannot gather wealth, I cannot gather prosperity, I cannot gather buoyancy, I cannot gather connection, I cannot gather riches, everything fighting my abundance. I pray, all your hands receive deliverance, receive fire, receive deliverance, receive fire, receive deliverance, receive fire. Open your mouth and prophesy. Receive deliverance. Receive deliverance from every limitation, from every setback, from every yoke of poverty. I pray, Lord, let's get up a lot of your palakata. Let us enter palakatia. Let us enter palakata. Oh, you my hands. Anywhere my father's hands were stopped. To gather wealth, to gather prosperity, to gather riches. Any extension from my father's house, from my mother's house, from my spouse's house, in this environment, and is fighting my hands to prosper, to excel. Over my hands, receive deliverance, receive fire, receive deliverance, receive fire, receive deliverance, receive fire. Open your mouth, prophesy. People that have shook your hands, they shook your hands and they stole your glory. They came to your shop to make a transaction to touch your goods while they tamper with the glory, your glory. Are you getting me? They came to give you money to make sure they collect your change, your just to steal your glory. And now they take your money to the common. Are you with me? Any transaction, hands transaction today, I pray God will intervene. 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 When I heard God clearly. When I hear God, I hear Him clearly. He said, glory will be restored. So anyone who have that transaction with your hands, the exchange of money, exchange of gifts, handshake, every of transaction, at the same time, that temper with the glory. Today is a restoration. Amen. Father, my fighter, by your mercy, restore my glory. Open your mouth, fire Let's